Landing is one of the most demanding phases of flight. It requires intense focus and precision. It requires the pilot to manage a rapidly changing environment, adjusting for runway conditions, terrain, and weather. Because of this complexity, every landing must be planned thoroughly before the approach even begins. The runway length and surface condition are the primary physical constraints of a landing. If the runway is short, the pilot must touch down no later than the touchdown zone to ensure safety. Landing too far down the runway significantly increases the risk of a dangerous runway overrun. During the rollout, the pilot must apply braking carefully to avoid overheating the wheel brakes. Runway surface conditions, from dry to flooded, directly determine braking effectiveness. Terrain poses significant challenges. Mountains can restrict the approach path, forcing a late final turn. Some runways are built on slopes, which affects both the approach angle and the stopping distance. At some airports, a go-around is not possible due to terrain. The pilot must land on the first attempt. As the aircraft nears the surface, the pilot performs a flare, a nose-up rotation for a smooth touchdown. After touchdown, reverse thrust is applied together with wheel brakes to assist deceleration. One of the most critical pre-landing checks is confirming that the landing gear is fully extended and locked. If the gear fails to extend, the crew must prepare for a belly landing, a highly controlled emergency procedure. In this scenario, the runway is covered with a foam carpet to reduce friction and the risk of fire. In some emergencies, the crew may need to jettison fuel to reduce weight before landing. Smaller aircraft without dump capability must land overweight and accept the structural implications. In high-density altitude regions, rotating too sharply can cause the tail section to strike the runway. At unusual airports like St. Martin, aircraft pass extremely close over crowds attracted by low approaches. Aircraft can even land on carriers, using an arrestor wire system to decelerate rapidly. Mastering the landing phase is a testament to a pilot's skill, requiring precision from approach to rollout.